Hi everyone, nice to see you in my video, in my channel. How are you? It was a long time that I didn't upload a new video, so I think this is the right time to make it now because I have another unboxing event, because I just found in internet someone who just want to sell his private collection, not very expensive collection, so I decided to buy it from him, and I want to show you exactly what I bought from this guy. So I don't want to waste my time. So what I got is all of this. He was very smart guy, so he put every banknotes in relevant like album list. But thanks for him, every banknote is in very good condition. You will see it now, and even I want to tell you, you can see here, I even put one of my collection here. Maybe I will show it for you. I just frame one of these banknote, and it's amazing. If you want a banknote like this, frame it. You can just see. You have a lot of links below this video, but you can also buy frame with a banknote like this. So I will put it for now. I'll put it here just for you to see. Okay, it will not fall. Okay, let's go. So what I got, I have very good condition. Some of them I already put in my Instagram account, Instagram channel. I think what I got, this is Croatia, 5 dinar. Very beautiful banknote, very small. Nicaragua, 25 centavos. Yeah. Another one, I think Cambodia, 100, I think it's real, 100 real, Cambodian. What is this? Okay, Mongolia, I don't know how much, okay, 10 tugrek, great. And Poland, 50 zloty. All of this, I think, the Poland uncirculated. Okay, also like this framed banknote. Also this one is Lebanon livres. I think it's 100 livres. Okay, very beautiful banknote. Another thing that I got, it's Bulgarian, 200 lev, and España, 50 what? 50 pesetas. So you can see here, 200 lev, Bulgaria, 50 pesetas, Spain. I will update all of this banknote in my application or in my Instagram, so just follow me and you will see all of this. Okay, another one, let's see. Okay, I think this Cambodia also. How much? I don't really know. 500. Okay, we have here. This is 100 Israel shekel. Old shekels, because now we have new shekels. Great. Another set of Cambodia banknotes, and Vietnam. No, I think all of this is Cambodia banknotes. Okay, I don't really know to read these letters. Okay, in very good condition. You can see 10 Israel shekels. It's even not shekels, it's lira, the previous one, and 50. Okay, 10 and 50, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, very beautiful also. This is 100 intis, Peru, 5 tenge, Kazakhstan, Banco Centrale du Congo. 20 what? 20 centimes Congo. Wow, very, very, very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful banknotes. Okay, 10 rubles from Russia. 200 to 2000 even. It's Georgia, Georgia. I don't know what is exact. What is the denomination? Okay, like American dollars, Russia rubles. What is in I don't know. Okay, and 5 yuan from renmin from China. In very good condition. And the last one, State of Eritrea, 1 nakfa, 5 nakfa, and Indonesia, 1000 rupee. Wow, very, very, very beautiful banknotes. So that's what I get. Just you know, I really like banknotes. So I always find in searching for banknotes over the internet, and if I can buy something in low price, so I buy it. I buy it. If you want to sell me something, you can also reach me out and make your offer. My Android app you can find in the credentials below. My Instagram also there, my eBay account where I'm selling some of my banknotes. You can also find in description below. Follow me, subscribe my channel, like this video if you like it, and I will happy to see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.